In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an all-natural hair mist using powerful ingredients like rosemary, cloves, coffee, green tea, and star anise. This mist helps to stimulate hair growth, strengthen strands, and keep your scalp healthy. Plus, I'll be sharing the benefit of each ingredient and how to use it effectively. So guys, do stay tuned, relax, grab your popcorn, and I will be right back to explain all of this to you.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make a powerful all-natural hair mist using ingredients that promotes hair growth, strengthen your strands, and nourish your scalp. This DIY hair mist is packed with antioxidants, essential nutrients, and natural stimulants to keep your hair healthy and thriving. So let's get started. For this video, I'll be using star anise, and star anise powder is known for its antimicrobial properties and help maintain healthy scalp. Then I'm going to be using my dry rosemary leaves. So it's an excellent ingredient for stimulating hair growth and preventing hair thinning. I'm also going to be using cloves, and the cloves is grounded already, so it is packed with antifungal properties and rich in antioxidants, which helps to improve your scalp health and promote strong hair. I'm also using coffee here. So guys, you can use any coffee of your choice. So, but the caffeine, the one I'm using right now is the calf. That's what I have in the house. So you can use the caffeine one. So this caffeine in coffee stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which encourage faster hair growth. So I also use green tea, a pure green tea. It is rich in catechins, which helps prevent hair loss and strengthen the hair roots, sorry. So the preparation process, which you've been seeing earlier, I use 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of star anise, and 1 green tea bag. So the next thing I did was to pour boiling water over the ingredient. I stirred everything together and covered it to allow the nutrients to infuse. This steeping process helps release all the beneficial compounds into the mixture. So once it had completed its cooling process, I strained it using both a fine strainer and a cheesecloth like ish to remove any residue, ensuring a smooth mist for easy application. My darlings, if you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, comment, and tell me what you think about mist in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to follow me on all my other social media, my Facebook, my TikTok. I'm on TikTok at Rita, on Facebook at Rita Nwadinobi, and on Instagram at Rita Nwadinobi. Thank you so much as you do so. So guys, you will notice I added water into this mixture. I added half a cup of water into the mixture. This will enable it not to be too thick and not too concentrated, okay? So guys, I'm transferring this into my spray bottle. This will enable easy application in the hair. So you have to get a spray bottle that is easier for you to use. I'm using this one, so you can get any spray bottle. So to enhance the benefit and add a calming aroma, I added a few drops of this distress essential oil. I love using this because it's soothing scent and how it helps to relax the nerves. So I shook the bottle just for the mixture to mix well. So let me show you how to use this in your hair. To use this mist, simply spray it evenly onto your scalp and hair strands and gently massage it into your scalp to improve blood circulation and to enhance absorption. So when you're spraying this, you make sure you massage it in your scalp, Okay, and don't forget the your hair strands. Make sure you add it to your hair strands and also, squeeze it in, like massaging it in. So this mist helps to keep your hair hydrated, strengthen your strands, and support overall hair health. Use it daily as needed for best results. So, and that's it, a yet powerful DIY hair mist that will keep your hair strong, healthy, and growing beautifully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing hair care tips and DIY recipes. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.